Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding which function approaches 0 as x goes to infinity is actually super fast if you know exactly what to look for in these options. First, let's look at option A, where the powers are equal, meaning it goes to 1. Option C just bounces around forever, so that definitely cannot be our correct answer today. Next, check option D because exponential functions grow way too fast as x increases. That leaves us with option B, where the denominator grows while the numerator stays small and bounded. As the denominator grows while the numerator remains bounded, the fraction approaches 0. This makes option B the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when checking limits. Always trust the given horizontal asymptote rules.